welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tasty and yummy breakfast recipe that is coconut rice. Chalo, let's get started. Firstly, let's take a bowl. I am taking one seer rice. This will be sufficient for 7 people. Wash rice properly. Take a cooker and add washed rice, 3 seers water. I am taking for 1 seer rice 3 seers water. For example, if we take 1 cup of rice, then we need to add 3 cups of water. Add some oil, little bit salt, and close the cooker lid. Let's wait up to 3 whistles. Now let's take a pan, pour 3 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons ghee, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon jeera, little bit hing, chilies, chopped ginger, garlic, chana dal and urad dal, groundnuts, and roast them well. Now let's add some red chilies, add some grated coconut, give it a good mix, roast until it turns light brown color. Take a basin, add cooked rice, roasted ingredients, 2 tablespoons pepper, salt as per taste, and give it a good mix. Now let's add chopped coriander. That's it. Let's serve in a plate. Hot, hot, delicious and yummy coconut rice is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.